Most of the time, quite often, that's going to be in state court. It could be either one. There isn't, in my opinion, sort of niche. There aren't really niches for lawyers. For example, this is a person that defends people for rape, or this is a person that defends people for murder, as being different things. But what you want is someone that has vast experience handling hard cases in general. There are some niches where the person has an expertise, but mostly you're wanting to see a holistic picture of that lawyer knowing that jurisdiction, or at least that state, and also having a depth of experience and knowledge about how the cases are handled. What kinds of investigation do you need to do? What doesn't work? What negotiating strategies have no chance? What pretrial motions build towards the theory that you want to use to win the case in the end and stuff, instead of just sort of being reactive. The thing that wins these big cases or gets a good result in them is to have a theory of the case that is true, that works well, that incorporates all the pieces of the case. That requires investigation. In other words, finding information that the police and prosecutors do not have. You're looking for that kind of experience, that kind of work ethic, but it doesn't necessarily mean it's defined by how many of a certain kind of case the person has done. So I could tell people the number of cases of certain types I've done, and it would probably seem like a lot, but that's not really it. Some people that have a very high number of cases done don't approach them right. It's just how it is. Again, with choosing a lawyer for anything, to take your time with it. Listen to how they talk about it, listen to their approach. Get the sense that they're spending time with you to really learn what you're saying instead of trying to just get paid and move on with it. But when you're talking violent crimes, you are wanting to have somebody with some experience at that level.